Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be one of the best patriotic gifts for men, the Onebttl personalized American flag tumbler. If you're looking for a thoughtful, practical, and eye-catching gift for your dad, grandpa, uncle, brother, or friend, this 20-ounce insulated stainless steel tumbler could be the perfect choice. First off, the design itself speaks volumes. This tumbler features a vibrant American flag theme along with a personalized initial, making it a unique and meaningful gift. Whether it's for a birthday, holiday, or any special occasion, the personalization adds a special touch that shows you've really thought about the recipient. But this tumbler is not just about looks. It's crafted from premium 304 food-grade stainless steel, ensuring durability and safety. The material is BPA-free, which means it's safe to use for all your favorite hot or cold beverages. The tumbler's 20-ounce capacity is ideal for coffee, tea, water, or any drink you prefer on the go. One of the standout features of this tumbler is its double-wall vacuum insulation technology. This keeps drinks cold with ice for up to 9 hours and maintains the temperature of hot drinks like coffee or tea for up to 3 hours. So whether you're heading to work, hitting the road, or just relaxing at home, your beverage stays at the perfect temperature longer. Another great aspect is that this tumbler prevents condensation. You won't have to worry about annoying drips or rings on your tables and countertops, and there's no need for coasters. This practical feature makes it ideal for everyday use. To enhance usability, the tumbler comes with a stainless steel straw and a cleaning brush. This thoughtful addition means you can enjoy your drink with ease and keep everything clean without hassle. Plus, it arrives in a beautiful gift box along with a greeting card, making it ready to gift right away. In terms of size, the tumbler measures about 3.3 inches wide and 6.8 inches tall, making it easy to hold and fit in most cup holders. It's designed for casual, everyday use but has that stylish holiday theme to add a touch of patriotism. Overall, the Onebttl personalized American flag tumbler combines style, functionality, and personalization into a gift that anyone who appreciates American pride would love. It's a durable, reusable option that will be appreciated for years to come. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in patriotic gifts that stand out and work hard, this tumbler is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews and gift ideas. See you next time.